Welcome to Viral Content Creator, the community where creators like you learn to go viral, grow your audience, and turn followers into real income. I'm Helen, your host and community builder. I know exactly how it feels to post content and hear nothing. No likes, no comments, no growth. That changes here. Inside this community, you'll discover how to use Freedom Threads AI to create content that the algorithm actually loves without spending hours guessing what works. You'll get access to viral content strategies that grow and convert, powerful AI tools that do the heavy lifting for you, and a supportive community of creators who are actually doing it. Our mentor, Jonathan Montoya, has built million-dollar businesses using organic content, and he's here to help you do the same. So if you're ready to stop posting into the void and start creating content that spreads, click the link below to get started. Join us at skool.com/viralpostthreads. I can't wait to see you inside.